everyone who's wondering, it is so cold in Johannesburg, and today we were in San Salvador home here in Johannesburg, covering the 67 blankets for Mandela Day, and we're out. Earlier on, I was speaking to one of the ambassadors and they told me about the road shows.
Yes.
Can you kindly just tell us more about that?
Right, so every year we do something special, whether it be a display of blankets at a school or the union buildings. This year we decided to ask our ambassadors to identify organizations in need, and then I would go around the country to be with them when they did the blanket distribution, and to make it a very, very special day in the lives of the people, to engage with them one-on-one, to hand over a blanket made with love by our Knitwits for Madiba. And of course I think I've done about 11 stops now with another 9 to go. So it's been a busy time for our wonderful ambassadors around the country. And here we're at San Salvador with Sue Scott and Veli Matsebatlela. And I think what they've done, arranging our Knitwits from the groups to be here present, to also engage with the residents and the workers here at San Salvador.
From what I heard, the home here where you're at now at San Salvador,
Yeah.
if I'm saying that correctly,
Yes.
there is a special tribute to it in some way, because this year you guys are turning 10 years and then you're
Yes.
coming back to the roots from.
Yes, so of course, in order to grow 67 blankets, we've done incredible milestone events, covering the grounds of the union buildings, getting a Guinness World Record for that, working with prisoners around the country, getting Guinness World Records at Drakenstein Correctional Centre, where we created the biggest crochet blanket in the world. So we really established a name for ourselves. We were written into the scripts of generations. So we've been going for 10 years, which is amazing. So now that we are established, we've become a brand. People know of 67 blankets. We wanted to go back to grassroots and to really engage with people around the country who just need that extra bit of warmth and love over the cold winter months.
Yeah, plus it's cold. Thank you so much for your
Thank
time.
you.
That is New View TV. Don't forget to follow us on all social platforms. Ke Phosha, ke Mrado Makuni.